In this lesson, which is lesson number 10, we are going to discuss exploring marketing opportunities, part 1. So, in this we are going to discuss the SWOT analysis, the Taos matrix, then scouting for opportunity and opportunity identification. So, coming to SWOT analysis. Now, by now you must have understood that SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Now, the analysis of the macro environment tells us something about the opportunities and threats, while the analysis of the micro environment of the company tells us something about the strengths and weaknesses of the company. So, while opportunities and threats are external to a company, strengths and weaknesses are internal to a company. So, we can then collate this information into a matrix of strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, which is known as the SWOT matrix. So, an example of the SWOT matrix for the telecom service provider Airtel is in India is discussed next. Please mind that this information is has not been done very recently, and therefore, it might be more particular to year 2011 or 12 when this SWOT analysis was conducted. So, the SWOT matrix consists of strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So, you can see there are 6 strengths which have been identified and 3 weaknesses. So, these strengths and weaknesses are particular to the company's environment, that is internal environment, and the opportunities and threats are for the company's external environments. They come from the company's external environment. Now, let us see what are the strengths. So, the Airtel, it has largest customer base of 95 million in India in 2009-10. It has the infrastructure to provide telecom and broadband services. It has the strategic alliance with handset manufacturers like Sony, Ericsson, Nokia and Estel. It is operating in all 323 telecom circles in India. Now, of course, it is operating a little more, but as I said that this data is belongs to 2011-12 or 2009-10, 11-12, something like that. It has good corporate structure and is a visionary leader. It has the advantages of being an early entrant in the telecom service provider industry. So, it is an early entrant. Now, what are its weaknesses? It had less expertise in its early days of operation, so it had to outsource many of its operations. The company shares the telecom towers with many other companies and remains dependent on them. Then some human resource issues are also hurting its international image. Now, the opportunities for the company are the lot of opportunity in the mobile telecom penetration, which is much less than 100%. So, when the as people get hitched on this telecom or mobile handsets, the opportunities are now less than 100%, but the opportunities can go even more than 100% with multiple mobile sets being with a single person. The threats are that some of its competitors like Vodafone, BSNL, etc., they provide some kind of threat to this company. So, we have seen these strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Now, we look at the Taos matrix for Airtel Telecom Company. Now, the importance of Taos matrix is that with the opportunities and threats that we have discussed and the weaknesses and strengths, what happens is that we will get to make a Taos matrix. So, how that is done? So, you see the strengths are not seen here. The strengths are in the earlier slide. We have discussed the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, and here we discuss the Taos. That means, what is the consequences of the strengths, opportunities, strengths, threats, weaknesses and opportunities, and the weaknesses and threats of the company called Airtel. Now, you see that S101, that means the first strength and the first opportunity. So, the first strength was it has the largest customer base, and the opportunity was that there is lot of opportunity in mobile telecom penetration. So, this strength and opportunity S1O1, this the strategy that can be used for by combining S1 and O1 is that the company can grow using intensive and integrative growth strategies. While intensive growth strategy means that they can grow within themselves, they can grow inward, but integrative growth strategy is about joining hands with other companies in order to grow. So, that is integrative growth strategies. The company can use existing infrastructure or set up new infrastructure for growth, because there is the chance of growth. So, the company can use existing infrastructure or new infrastructure to go for growth. Then S3O1, the company can go for strategic alliances with smaller service providers also in order to grow in the marketplace. So, this is integrative growth. It can also form alliances with foreign service providers to establish a presence in foreign lands like Africa. Then S4O1, it can increase its market share all over the country by offering high quality services at affordable prices, thereby increasing market share through intensive growth. So, now S5O1. So, S5 is it is a good corporate structure and is a visionary leader. So, there the company can take advantage of its corporate structure to recruit more people for ensuring adequate growth in the marketplace in future. And S6O1, it can take advantage of its experience and learning and provide services at rates affordable to most citizens of India. Then coming to strength and threat. So, strength and opportunity is fairly easy, because you use the strengths of the company to take advantage of the opportunities that the environment provides for the company. In the case of strengths and threats, what happens is the S1 T1, it can provide better services than the competition by providing enhanced service quality. S2 T1 is same as S1 T1. S3 T1, it can learn from its strategic alliances and provide better services than its competitor. S4 T1, S5 T1 and S6 T1 are similar to S1 T1, that is, it can provide better services than the competition by providing enhanced service quality. Then we come to weaknesses and opportunities. Now, we have to take the help of opportunities to hedge the weaknesses of the company. So, W1O1. Now, let us see what is W1. It had less expertise in its early days of operation, so it had to outsource many of its operations. And the T1, that is threat, is there are threats from some of its competitors like Vodafone and BSNL. So, the weakness 1 and opportunity 1 is it must monitor its partners for quality and value gain. The company must set up its own operations if the partners underperform. W2O1, the company must proactively manage its infrastructure alliances as win-win relationships to be able to provide acceptable services at affordable prices. Similarly, there is W3O1. It must relook at its human resource policies and provide an organizational climate that can lead to high employee satisfaction and employee citizenship behavior or organizational citizenship behavior. W1T1, the company has to cement strong relationships with its partners so that they can together perform better than the competition. W3T1, human resources issues can make employees of the company switch to competitors. So, this is the weakest quadrant of Airtel, and Airtel has to do something so that due to their weaknesses they do not fall prey to the threat. So, one way is to cement relationships with partners who are performing better than competition. Another is that human resource issues should be good, and so they can retain their employees and keep them well trained for higher productivity, which can keep them satisfied with their jobs and career. So, this is the Taos Matrix, and in Taos Matrix there are several strategies, and these strategies now can be plotted on an importance and ease of implementation kind of a quadrant, and then it can be found that which strategies are easy to implement and have great significance, and which strategies are difficult to implement and therefore which can be tackled later on. Then we come to another example, that is formulation of marketing strategy for Sagar Ratna, a restaurant chain. So, there we have the strengths. The restaurant is very popular with its North and South Indian dishes. It has good presence in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Customers perceive Sagar Ratna to be having high brand value, and the food and ambience provided by Sagar Ratna is of superior quality. So, weaknesses, there is no marketing and advertising effort from Sagar Ratna to lure new customers. The restaurants are only located in middle level markets and not present in shopping malls and high end markets. Opportunities, the middle class household are increasing in the population and disposable income of Indians is increasing. Threats, there is a threat from other restaurants. Multinational brands like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, KFC, Yo China, etc. are flourishing. So, we again have this SWOT, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. From there, we can make the Taos matrix of strategies, okay, which can be undertaken to provide Sagar Ratna with an advantage. That means, Sagar Ratna can take advantage of the opportunities and hedge their weaknesses and threats and move ahead smoothly. So, increase the restaurants in shopping malls. Since the restaurant is not are not present in the shopping malls, therefore, this has to be done. Increase restaurants in shopping malls, advertise superior food and ambience quality to attract customers. Then there are weaknesses and opportunities, so which are like same as strength and opportunities. Then we have got strength and threats. So, the strengths, these are the strengths and these are the threats. So, increase the number of outlets and advertise heavily, and the weakness and threats also is same as ST, that is increase number of outlets and advertise heavily. So, in a nutshell, Sagar Ratna should increase their presence in shopping malls, advertise superior food and ambience quality to attract customers, and they should increase the number of outlets and advertise heavily. So, this is what we have studied in a nutshell. We have discussed about strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats, which make up the SWOT analysis, and then we have done the Taos matrix, which makes up the which brings out the strategies that should be implemented to take care of the weaknesses and threats of the country and take of the company and take an advantage of the strengths and opportunities and grow substantially. Thank you very much for attending this session. I hope this helps.